It gives you a light when it's dark.
Yep. And if you guys see somebody over there and they're not stopping with the lights on, shout at them.
It turns off. I will raise
Does
my
it?
voice.
Yeah,
Yeah, it turns
I just
off.
tried it because I tried to put it. I tried to make you keep going and it
I have permission to yell at me fast.
Yes.
I'm gonna be like the professional carpenter walker. For like a day and then it'll get old.
Okay, now, folks, math teachers really think that you ought to prove everything. I got to come up there and really tell you what's going to be there and make you prove it and draw circles. I've learned after a few years of teaching that most of my students are perfectly happy if I just tell you what you need to know. Now, I know not everybody's that way, but what I'm going to do is write down the ones that you need to know. And then I'll show you where at least some of them come from. So the first one you need to know, if you take a cosine and you square it, and you add a sine squared, it will always equal 1.
Always?
Always.
No matter what the angle?
No matter what the angle, no matter what's happening, it's always equal to 1.
Why?
Ah, well, that's where we came into whether you wanted it proved. This one, it turns out, is easy to prove.
Alright, well.
So, let's do it. So, if I put a circle out here, I know I should have my little inner circle. Does that look like a circle? Now, what kind of circle do you think it's going to be? Maybe a unit circle?
Oh, you're a little off. A little to the right. Right. Right.
Yeah, not perfect, but good enough. So, what's the radius of this circle? 1. So, if I bring along any place on the circle, like that, would you know that I've got 1 for the radius?
Yes.
Oh boy, you guys are good.
Did you want to go on there instead of like punch her in the face? Mr. Wilson, you ran out of time.
I did?
Yeah.
No, this is
Okay.
a different time,
Oh,
right?
just kidding.
So I still have time?
Told you. I don't know, I didn't start a new one.
Oh.
This is going to be pretty good time.
Oh, no. Well, you know, I can always bring it into some editing program and I can chop it up. I've got lots of editing programs.
Do like 5 minutes.
Yeah. So give me a warning, say about 4 minutes. That'll be enough to go ahead and do that. So I'll write a 1 there just to remind ourselves that the thing's 1. And let's draw ourselves another line coming down here. Notice what a beautiful vertical line we have there. What's the name of the vertical line?
Sine.
Yeah. So that's going to be sine.
The line of the horizontal line is cosine.
Normally I don't get it.
And somewhere in here I'm going to have to dent a angle for them. So sine. really want them underlined, so we'll take the underline off.
Sine.
And then thinking ahead, yes,
Does that say sine A?
it did. So if I cut out sine A, there's sine A. Yep. An arrow would work well too. How about sort of greenish color? So now we've got this little side that I made adjacent. Now somewhere there I probably ought to go back in and tell you what he's adjacent to so that I get the little angles there. And Carly, what again should I call him?
I think you should call him cosine.
Oh, his name will be
What
cosine.
letter, Carly? A.
Okay.
The first letter of the alphabet. The American alphabet. The American alphabet.
So are we going to name the hypotenuse secant?
No, the hypotenuse is going to be 1. So folks, looking at this, what kind of triangle is it?
Right?
It's a right triangle, so what can you tell me would happen if I was to take this side squared added to this side squared?
You get 1.
It would equal 1 squared, which is the answer for y. Sine squared plus cosine squared always equals 1. Now, that one I can show you pretty easily. He's called the Pythagorean identity.
We didn't do that. You did too.
And I'm guessing right about now, I better stop my
You have 45 seconds.